Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about things a girl should have in school. Now ASU is on strike. For those of us in Nigeria, ASU is on strike and we're at home, we're chilling, we're chilling at home. We don't have any issues, we're not budging about anything, but school is going to resume very soon. And I'm here to tell you some of the things that I feel like you should have if you are a student, whether you are starting out 100 level or you are already in school. By the way, this video, someone asked me to make this video, so if you all want me to make any video for you, please let me know in the comment section so I can make that video for you all. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us dive right into the video. Guys, one of the first things that you would need if you are starting out 100 level or you're already in school and you don't have this before, you would definitely need a black handbag. And the reason why I am saying a black handbag is because black goes with everything. Like it doesn't matter the kind of clothes you are wearing, as long as you have a black handbag, then you are good to go. And get a black handbag that is in a medium size, like this one, like a medium sized shape. Just get a black handbag that you can take to school. Let the bag be an everyday school bag. Like you don't have to have so many different bags. If you have one solid black handbag, you can take that bag to school every single day. You can also take it to church too, as long as it's a black color, then you are good to go. Another thing that you definitely need, starting from the hair now, you would need a shampoo and a conditioner. In my last two videos I showed you guys my shampoo and I showed you guys my conditioner. This is the conditioner I use, VO5 conditioner. I also use Mega Growth dandruff shampoo. You can just get VO5 shampoo if you want to, but just make sure you are getting a shampoo and conditioner. You can get anyone that you have, anyone that fits in your budget. Just make sure you're getting a shampoo and a conditioner, because while I was in school I spent a whole lot of money going to salons just to wash my hair, when you can just buy shampoo and conditioner and do it by yourself at home. So if you are starting out school, just get a shampoo and a conditioner. If you are trying to like save money, budget and all that, this is going to help you. If you have a shampoo and conditioner, you can wash your hair at home. You don't need to go to salon to go and wash hair. You can do it by yourself at home and it's going to save you a whole lot of money. So this is one of the things that you should start buying now before school resumes. Okay, if you are someone that wears wig, like wears coily wig, you will definitely need a leave-in conditioner. Dark and Lovely Corrective leave-in conditioner. You can also make use of the Hawaiian Silky conditioner. I'll put a picture by the side, but for me I prefer to use this one, Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner. And you also need a spray bottle. Now this is for people that wear wigs, coily wigs, like I have said. And if you have been watching my hair videos, you all know that I use this a lot on my coily wigs. Get this, and use it for your wigs. You cannot be going to school. Like when I was in school, then I used to see some girls with really nice coily hair, and then you see the wigs, like the wigs will be joined together, they'll be matted, like it doesn't look good. So if you have a coily wig, just get a leave-in conditioner like this one and get a spray bottle. Put the leave-in conditioner in a spray bottle and add water to it, shake it together, and then take your coily wig. I'm going to use this as an example. Okay, take your coily wig. Now this is a coily wig that I have. This is a kinky coily wig. Take your coily wig and spray your wig. Take the leave-in conditioner, spray your wig, and then run your hands on the wig, and this is going to help your wigs to look good. If you are in school, you have to look good. You cannot be going around, your curly hair is joined together. It's not just nice. If you have like a straight wig, you definitely need a good brush for your straight wig. You definitely need a good brush, and you need something like a serum or an oil to like keep your hair looking good every time. And the one that I always use is this Hawaiian Silky Argan Oil treatment. So this is what I use on my straight wigs. I use them on my straight wig, and it just gives my wig a very beautiful shine. So someone like me, when I was in school, I think I had just 2 wigs while I was in school, and I had coily wigs because I love coily hair. And one thing that I used to do, that when I don't have money, like when I'm broke, I need to do my hair, I just go and buy this Afro pop. This one is called the Mid Cozy Hot. This is like an Afro hair. Like I got it, and this one is 1950. There are some that are 15. You can just buy this thing and put it on your hair. I'm going to put some pictures of me when I was in school. I always had this thing. Like the days where I don't have money to like braid my hair, I just make use of this thing, put some gel, and I do it myself. I don't go to any salon. I do it by myself. I put some gel and then I go ahead to like attach this as a ponytail. So if you are a girl, you don't really have money to buy wigs, or you don't have money to braid hair, because these days to buy a wig is very like, to buy a wig is expensive, and to even braid your hair is expensive. So you can just get this bun and use this bun on your hair, and this is going to save you money because you can reuse it. You can use it for like 3 months. If you know how to use something, you can use it for like 3 months, and it's going to help you. Still talking about wigs, I want to show you guys a way that you can store your wigs. Okay, you can just get a Ziploc bag like this one and take your wig, like whether it's a curly wig or a straight wig, it doesn't really matter, and then put your wig in a Ziploc bag. You can store your wig in a Ziploc bag. Like, this is something that I do for my wigs that don't come in boxes. Most of my wigs come in boxes. If you don't have a box for your wig, you can just put your wig in a Ziploc bag like this, and this is just going to help to, like, you know, it's a good place for you to like store your. So guys, another thing that you would need if you are a girl and you're in school, you would definitely need a body wash, you would need a body soap, you would need a body scrub. Like, you would just need those things, because in school you have to take care of yourself, you have to invest in yourself. So invest in a good body wash. For me, I use Dove. I told you guys about my product. I showed you guys my products a lot on my channel. You can definitely make use of Dove body wash or Dove body soap if you're not really into body washes. And make sure you are getting a scrub. You can get this one. This is the Care Build body scrub. Okay, you can get the body scrub. All these things I'm showing you guys, I've made mention of it on my channel before. You can get a good body scrub, a good body soap, you know, a good body wash, just, you know. And you also need a body lotion, because you cannot be going to class looking dry and ashy. Make sure you get a body lotion. If you don't have a body lotion, just try and buy a body lotion. You can use any one. For me, I use this Dr. Teal's body lotion. It smells so nice. So this is what I have been using for like 2 weeks. I actually bought it because of a video I made a review on this lotion, and I've been using it since then, and it smells so nice. So if you're a girl, you definitely need a body lotion, because you cannot be going to school looking all ash. So guys, another thing that a girl should have is an exfoliating glove. Yes, an exfoliating glove is a must have. If you're not really into exfoliating gloves, you can just get a normal bath sponge, but I love exfoliating gloves because they help to like exfoliate the skin. You don't have to use your body scrubs every single day, and this is something I do just to like make my body scrub last longer. I use my exfoliating gloves on the days I'm not using my body scrub, so that, you know, I can keep my skin looking good and looking all nice. You're going to need a disinfectant, okay? And for me, I use Tetmosol. Sometimes I use Dettol. Like, it doesn't really matter, you can buy anyone, but as a girl, you need a disinfectant in your water, because sometimes the kind of water that can be in school hostels, sometimes it's just, the water is not just good. So you have to make sure you are protecting yourself. If not, if you don't use disinfectant for your water, your body can start getting irritated. Okay, so another thing that you would need as a girl in school, you need a body towel. You need a body towel, you need a face towel. Like, don't use the towel you use on your body, don't use it on your face. Try and get a small facial towel and get a body towel. Okay, get a body towel, get a facial towel, and, you know, use it on your body. Try and make sure you are changing your towels frequently. Another thing that you would need as a girl in school, you would definitely need a deodorant. Now, this small deodorant, like, I saw it in the supermarket and I decided to try it, and it smells so nice. Although I don't use this every day because it contains aluminium, and aluminium, like I've said before, is not really good for the armpits. Aluminium is an ingredient that can make the armpits go darker, so I don't use it every single day because it contains aluminium. But if you have a deodorant that does not contain aluminium, then you can use it every single day. But you need a deodorant as a girl. You need a deodorant because you cannot be going around smelling all musty. No, you don't want that for yourself. So definitely get a good deodorant like this one. And you also need to smell nice. If you don't have a perfume, please buy a perfume. You cannot be going around smelling like iniquity. Try and buy a perfume. In my last 2 videos or 3 videos, I talked about these small perfumes. This one is the Maison Fragrance Avenue Paris. I think this is the clone anyway, but this one smells as good as the original one. So just get a perfume. As long as you are smelling nice, like, it doesn't really matter. So just get a perfume. If you don't have a perfume, please buy a perfume. It is very, very important. So as a girl, you definitely need perfumes if you are resuming school. So another thing that you would need as a girl, you definitely need pads. Yes, you would need pads. So if you have not gotten a pad, please try and get a pad. For me, I've been using Moped and I really, really love Moped. Another thing that you can use, another thing that you need to have, you definitely need to have pant liners. Pant liners are very, very important because this is going to help you. Like, there are some days that you just need pant liners. Pant liners are a lifesaver, so definitely invest in a pant liner. And you would also need a pad if you are a girl and you're going to school. You would also need wipes. Yes, you would also need wipes. Like, as a girl, wipes, like, this is how you and wipes should be. A wipe should be your best friend. You always have to have wipes in your bag, or those small tissue paper. You always have to have them in your bag because as you are going out, you are going to need it. So you definitely need wipes, and you definitely need those small tissue. They are so important, so important. As a girl, you need to have those ones too. So guys, another thing that you would need as a girl when you are resuming school, you would definitely need bras. Yes, you need bra. Like, this one is important, but if you are starting out a new session in school, or you are starting out school, you would need bra. Like, you need bra. Like, bra is very important. Or you also need panties too. You need bra and panties. And I recently got this bra recently. This bra, I love it so much because you can wear it strapless. Like, you don't have to, like, you know, put the straps. Like, you can wear it like this, and it is, I'm loving this bra, guys. So this is one of the bras that I got recently, and I really, really love it. So as a girl, you are starting out school, you would need bras, and you also need to buy panties because you have to wear panties. So you definitely need some bras and some panties. A random thing that you might need as a girl in school, you might need an edge control. For me, I use this edge control, this particular one, and that is what I have on my edges. You can see the way my edges is looking flick, and it helps my edges to, like, you know, stay put, stay in place. You can, you know, invest in this. I think I got this for 500 naira. It is very, very cheap. So if you have someone that loves edges a lot, then you should definitely get an edge control. You might also need a Vaseline. Yes, you might also need a Vaseline. There are sometimes that a body lotion does not just cut, especially all those times where there is harmattan. You would need Vaseline. So you also need Vaseline if you are a girl in school. It just helps you, like, you know, I use it on my face to slug sometimes. I use it around my eyes as an eye cream, and then I use it on my feet on most days. And another thing that you would need, you definitely need sunscreen, because guys, there is sun in your house and there's also sun in school. Yeah, so you would need a sunscreen because in school you are already stressed, in school you are tired, in school you are always in the sun. So you would need a sunscreen. For me, I use Gavia. If Gavia does not work for you, you can use any other sunscreen that you want to use. You don't have to use the one I'm using, but just get a sunscreen because a sunscreen is needed when you're in school. You need a sunscreen to protect your skin. You know, if you don't use your sunscreen, you're going to age faster, hyperpigmentation. Like, you just need a sunscreen in school. Nothing that you would need in school is a power bank. Yes, I know this is not like only for girls, but you definitely need a power bank. Trust me, you would need a power bank, except maybe your hostels, like, you always have lights. But when you are resuming school, just buy a power bank because you are going to need it. Like, just buy power bank. Power bank is very, very compulsory when you are resuming or starting out school. Another thing that a girl should have, well, this is not very compulsory, but for me, this facial fan is a lifesaver. This facial fan is a lifesaver, and it is just 1.5 or 2.5 if I'm correct. 1.5 or 2.5. It is very, very cheap. You need this kind of facial fan because sometimes when you're in class and there is no electricity, because let's be honest, it is not every time that there's electricity in school. So you just need this small fan to, like, just help yourself a little bit. Okay, so you definitely need something like this. It's very, very cheap. As a girl, you need a facial fan because trust me, the heat sometimes can just be very, very mad. Another thing that you would need as a girl in school, yes, you would need umbrellas. I know this sounds really, really crazy, but you would definitely need umbrellas. When I was in school, I refused to buy an umbrella and I suffered for it. So as a girl, you need umbrellas, and you need umbrellas just to protect your wig. Yes, because There are so many times that rain will start falling, like the rain will beat my wig will start smelling. All those things are not just nice at all. So make sure you have an umbrella for the rainy season, because you are going to need it. This one is very, very important. It's going to make your wig last longer. It's going to make your braids last longer, because when the rain falls on your hair, like, it's just going to make your hair to smell. So you definitely need an umbrella. As well as it sounds, you definitely need an umbrella, guys. You need an umbrella. So guys, there are so many different things that a girl should have in school, but these are the ones that I feel for me are kind of important. If you have more things that a girl should have in school, please put it in the comment section so that we all can learn. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.